How to build an attractive personality according to science. Do you think you have an attractive personality? Do you want to develop an attractive? So in this video, we are going to show you a list of these traits along with tips on how to start developing them in your own life. So watch this video to the end to find out how to build an attractive personality. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future videos. And comment down below I subscribed so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Start a journal. A magazine is a great tool for self-reflection and personal growth. You can honestly explore where and how you need to improve in order to develop your personality. When you start a magazine, you can document the actions you take, solve any challenges you face, and watch your improvements as you write about them. Seeing this in black and white makes you feel proud of yourself and has more confidence in your personality. If you do not know how to start a magazine, keep in mind that it is a very personal thing and there is really no right or wrong way. But compliance is key as it becomes a daily habit. Number 2. Learn important social skills. People with good personalities are happy. If you are only attractive on the outside, it will never be enough to move your career forward or help your closest relationships. For this reason, it is important to sharpen your social skills. The more successful you are in the social spheres of your life, the more self-confidence you will have. Use positive gestures when you interact with people and be aware of your body language so as not to evoke a negative feeling. Learn to listen sensitively, look into people's eyes, and reflect on what you hear them say. Speak only according to the understanding of others. People with good social skills will see you as a strong personality. Number 3. Create an impressive smile. A smile takes a direct place in the heart of the recipient. Attractive smile is one of the characteristics of a good person. Do not be miserable when sharing a smile. Smile to everyone where you make eye contact. You have to have confidence in your smile. You must first train different types of smiles and make sure that you do not give scary shocks. The wrong person at the wrong time can put you in trouble with the wrong smile. Understand when and how to give a friendly smile and a formal smile. You have to have big teeth. If not, you're better off not smiling to anyone. Make sure your teeth are clean and in the right shape. Number 4. Start taking care of yourself. You must not do anything for others. If you live with the approval of others, it makes you their slave. You will never be able to please everyone. Love yourself and take care of yourself, but not for others, just for you. When you begin to listen to yourself, you will find out who you are and what you want out of life. You will begin to improve yourself. It is at this stage that you accept yourself for who you are. Once you acknowledge your shortcomings, you can do something about them. That is to protect your inner self. You also want to work on your body. This means taking care of your health and making sure you are always in your best condition. Start exercising, eat a healthy diet, and use products to maintain good hair and skin. Moreover, make sure you always smell good. Number 5. Dress confidently. We talked earlier about having your own style, but another important aspect of being confident is looking at the part. Demonstrates confidence in dressing appropriately for the occasion and maintaining a healthy posture. You can have confidence in your body no matter what size you are. People will be attracted to you if you dress appropriately, respect yourself and your body, and carry yourself with pride. If you feel self-conscious one day, remind yourself of the parts of your body and personality that you like. Remind yourself of your health and what your body can do. Everyone has shortcomings and feels uncomfortable with themselves from time to time. But when you dress in style, hold your head up, and speak with confidence, you will feel more confident and others will see it. Number 6. Always keep it cool. People with strong personalities do not allow anyone to enter their head. They are not angry and are always calm. This makes them feel strong and they know it. People will feel that you have not found the other person worth as much as your anger. It is not easy to remain calm or restless in difficult situations. But you have to have confidence in yourself. Know that you have your energy and you need to find it. No one can do anything to you unless you allow them to. When you believe in yourself, others begin to believe in you. Strength does not mean having a strong body, it means having a strong mind with self-control. Number 7. Create your own style. You do not want to be like someone else. You want to be yourself. Find a style that is most comfortable for you and stick to it. This is something you can explore and develop over time, so if you start to get tired of one thing, you can easily move on to something new. You can find inspiration by looking at what Pinterest, fashion blogs, or magazines are talking about. The most important factor in creating your style is to be true to yourself. Experiment with different looks, colors, accessories, and shoes. When you feel good about your skin, others will see your confidence and unique qualities. Your style should reflect your personality and personality. Number 8. Work on your confidence level. Well, you have to develop a carefree attitude, be confident, you have to think. People will talk negatively about you because they are jealous of you, or they do not want you to be the center of attraction. Another thing is that you can start publishing with your friends, develop the habit of participating, and talk in the ongoing discussion. Talk less, but talk relevant. Then you will have confidence, and those around you will understand that you can talk and give your own advice. Number 9. Learn from mistakes. If you learn something new, you are bound to make mistakes. Be prepared to forgive and sincerely forgive. By saying sorry, you can create a respectful corner between your friends and colleagues. Learn from your mistakes, forgive yourself, and move on. Do not stop until you learn from your mistakes. This can take you years to learn, and it's good. At least you learn and try your best. You are 1,000 times better than people who never try and are ashamed to face their inner personality. Number 10. Be a good listener. Active listening is a personality trait that is often forgotten in our modern society. When you talk to someone, instead of thinking about the to-do list or where you should be, pay attention to what they say and respond appropriately. This means tilting your head to show that you are listening and that you understand or reflect on their body language. Then they know you are on the same page. Show people that you listen and you're interested in asking questions related to what they are saying and sharing. The feeling that another person hears is the most valid gift. When you really listen and show that you care about what the speaker is saying, you will win a fan for life. Number 11. Make others feel good in your company. Do you know how people like you? Make them feel good. Do not talk about yourself just to show that you have a great personality. If you have such a personality, you will not need to talk about it. Others will feel it. They feel it by developing an image of you according to your characteristics. You need to shape those traits in order for you to improve. Be great, but do not tell others. Talk about them when you are in their company. A rich man does not allow anyone to feel poor in his company, not talking financially. When you are in your company, you need to feel confident and a better person to the people around you. Do not point out their faults or their shortcomings. Encourage them on who they are and how they can be better. Show them your support. Number 12. Be passionate about your work. Nobody likes to hear a ho-hum attitude or constant complaints about someone's work or career. In fact, nothing is more contagiously attractive than someone who feels passionate and enthusiastic about what they do. If you are unhappy with your job or feel stuck in the wrong profession, do nothing to change your situation and complain about it. Find out what your desire is and how it works in your life. Talk about your desire to find out and how passionate you are about exploring and testing. Your enthusiasm and positivity force others to support and help you. When you say that you are ready to create a new life for yourself, you will see that opportunities come your way. Once you find out what your passion is, try to maintain a positive attitude about making the necessary changes in your life. Number 13. Lighten up. No one is really attracted to lazy and overly serious people. It is always a mistake to be cautious, to always be a denier, or to be the person who does not see the humor in a situation. Others enjoy the company of someone who is lighthearted and can smile. If you learn how to add some intimacy while you are engaged in a conversation, others will naturally be attracted to you. Before joining a party or other social event, think about the fun things that happen during the week. When the moment is right, prepare a few funny stories to share. If you are not naturally funny, or you are the more serious type, try to be an audience that appreciates such people. Number 14. Be honest. No one likes cunning or honest people. False praise, lying, being sold, and pretending to be everything is a real twist. It is important to be properly open and honest with yourself. You do not have to share everything, but you have to be yourself. That authenticity will be very appealing to others, even when you are afraid that others will not like you. Do not make people happy by saying or doing things just to win the love or respect of others. You train people to take advantage of you when you do, and eventually they lose respect for you and for you. Remember, sometimes an honest no is better than a dishonest yes. When people ask your opinion, do not be rude and be honest and open about what you think. Number 15. Don't doubt yourself. Being calm leads to the next tip of not doubting yourself. Always remind yourself of your skills, be positive and firm in your decisions and actions. Try to trust your own judgment and inner wisdom, and draw on your many years of experience to analyze how to proceed. If you need feedback, find some trusted advisors to give you a different perspective. But in the end, you have to make your own decisions with confidence. This will make you look like a leader who is attractive in any aspect of your life. Number 16. Try to stay happy. It is important to be happy to stay healthy. Throw away all the negativity from life. There is no man alive who can say that his life was perfect or that he never had to face a difficult situation. Life is a mixture of happiness and sorrow. You do not know what happiness is without sorrow. You will face challenging situations at every step of your life, but do not let them affect your future. Cry if you want to, but get rid of them. Otherwise, they will become a burden on your shoulders that will carry you your whole life. Once you make peace with what hinders your happiness, you will come out with a new and stronger person.